The Nigeria police wey suppose dey protect life and property dey say na dem dey take am o. As e stand right now, one bus and trailer, everybody wey dey travel o, na so dis people block road. Omo, come see yata. Many people kpai for inside dis matter from dis road. Oh, you see, if you from east dey travel go Lagos, abeg o, make you just dey pray to God say make you reach successful, because a lot of things are going on right now. We go play the videos more on our watch. As e stand right now o, they say that Biafra Liberation Army wey dey call Commander Gentle, wey everybody dey talk say him and him brother don kpai, they don come outside, they come talk many things wey I go play you for this video, make you watch. My people, e don finally red o. As e be like this now, the Sultan of Sokoto don come outside come say make they close down social media, so that anybody say social media dey corrupt, and if you no good sef, say make dem close am down. The Sharia law wey we dey talk about, e don finally come, so take am or you leave am. Now we go dey play you the videos, make you dey watch as e take dey happen. Just stay tuned and watch this video from beginning to end.
What happened has happened, and it's there written. You can't come and be through social media, but that's one terrorist organization, social media. Social media is a terrorist organization. What they do, put somebody in his comfort room and formulate stories, and you will swear that it's true. So, social media is a terrorist organization that we must deal with. Security agencies must deal with this terrorist organization called social media. So we're not happy with what's been happening either on the plateau or other places.
People, you don finally read though. Una don hear am. As it take dey happen, na so we take dey bring and dey come. Now I'm going to play you another video. May you hear wetin Gentle talk with him mouth, and how wetin they call am, go take dey narrate how they take by Gentle brother. Just watch the full video. You don read though.
Mbremba Amara n'ụzọ dị anya, onye eziokwu have come once again. This is aka Gentle the Yahoo. Ogbu onye gbendula atọ ya ụtọ. I have come once again to highlight my people that I am still alive. For those that are talking nonsense, saying all sorts of nonsense that Gentle is dead. Gentle is not dead, and I can never die. My life is not in the hands of my enemy. Then I want to bring to the world our greetings, according to the respect of my father, Igwe Buto.
Listen, the truth is this. Gentle lost his own brother, the same mama, the same papa. Yes, I dey sure. The moment the thing happened, they send me the picture. I see him. The same mama, the same papa, I see him. The picture dey my phone now.
Also, yes. Now the moment one Gentle can send the picture.
I dey sure.
Okay, I dey sure.
The moment the thing happened, they send me the picture. I see him.
The moment the thing happened, they send the logo 247 the picture. He's see him. The moment one Gentle, that moment, ozugbo aye burie can send the afterward to go 247 the picture. He's here. This man I'm looking pa we sa that na fa bu one Gentle. We go 247 I'm okay pa we sa we gwag that na fa no fa bu one Gentle. And all those people who blew one Gentle, those criminals about blew that guy who send it go 247 that picture. Watch and the body movement to go 247 go. Children the kind of turn. Oh, we know that now. There is no way. Money when he kids medicine was send the who go 247. The picture was mean what? Me know that now only blue Gentle that moment, yeah. We know that place. Send the that picture. The say the picture send the you go 247. Me know that's not that.
Nonsense. Officer, you're on camera. Explain what happened there.
All your people, call them.
Explain what happened. No. Explain what happened. Explain what happened here. Stand there. Tell us what happened. Tell us what happened here. Tell us what happened. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Tell us what happened. Tell us what happened.
We will not talk.
Nobody is taking law into his hand. Explain to us what happened.
Okay, you are answering your question. You are answering your question.
No, explain to us what happened.
Coming from the other lane.
The vehicle. Point at it. Which one? The trailer did what?
So, you know what happened?
Where's that conductor?
Wait.
Go in front. But there was traffic here.
There was
traffic here.
So what was the cause of the traffic? Tell us what was the cause of it.
He said the vehicle failed brake.
Yes. So what
failed brake. And you did not fail brake. You told me. You told me. I don't touch you. Nobody will touch you, but you have to calm down.
Nobody is touching you. Don't tell us. Explain to us what happened.
You have to calm down. Nobody will
calm down. Explain to us.
If there was no traffic here, this thing wouldn't have happened.
Because you guys broke the road. But the boat fled. You blocked it. You blockaded the road. Tell us why you blockaded the road.
The vehicle did not fail brake. Are you the one driving? The conductor said he did not fail brake. The conductor said he did not fail brake.
I'm inside the car.
I see police run there.
Police, they should go. Police should be in position.
There is a lot of damage, and it was caused by you.
No, sir.
It was caused by you. Why did you block the road? Why did you block the road? Officer, nobody is touching you. We are not abiding citizens. Just explain to us. Nobody is touching you. Nobody will touch you. Nobody will do it. Why did you block the road? Please tell us why. You blocked the road and you are collecting money from motorists. You blocked the road, collecting money from. No. Tell us if I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. You blockaded the road just because you were collecting money from motorists.
You did not do that.
Who said you didn't do that? So why did you block the road? No, why did you block the road?
That is not happening.
Why did you blockade the road?
It doesn't happen.
No, tell us why you blockade the road.
Excuse me.
You don't need to call anybody. Nobody is touching you. Nobody is touching you. If you want to provoke issues, it's up to you.
Okay? If any policeman shoot on the air here, my hand will touch you.
Okay, so just tell us.
How many people will they shoot? And I will make sure everybody ends here.
Because
including myself, nobody shoot.
You blockaded the road, you were collecting money from motorists, and this was the cause of this accident. Now, accident has happened. Your colleagues run away. Why did you run away? We have to run away. No, why did you run away? Why did you run away? All your colleagues have run away. Why? Tell us. Tell us. Tell us. Why you blockade the road? Nobody is touching him. It is just little because somebody must accept responsibility. Accident is caused. It doesn't just happen. So he is in the practical position to explain what happened here, and he's running away. He's running away. Why is he running away? Somebody must take responsibility of what transpired here.
It's okay now. I don't
No. Okay.
What are you looking for?
Because of he didn't come here with any phone.
You did not come here with any phone.
I was the one that went and fetched you. Nobody called me.
No, don't do that.
Look at the damage.
Now let me tell you, you're not putting fear in yourself.
Okay.
I've told you that nobody will be.
Nobody will touch you. Nobody will touch
All we
you.
want what we want is this.
Who is accepting responsibility?
Hold on. Exactly.
Somebody must accept responsibility of all these damages. It was caused by you. You blockaded the road, collecting money from motorists, and this is why this occurred.
Okay.
You don't know if that person carry everything. Only to 200. You take to 200. You can never if that person.
He is nothing.
You don't know. Why they wrong?
Now we are supposed to be controlling traffic. No safety road. All of you are here collecting money from motorists. Now accident has happened and you all run away. You all run away. If we had not come after you, you would have run away. Your colleagues escaped. It's just that we were fast enough to apprehend you. Why were you running away? If you know accident has happened, you are a senior police officer, you should control issues here. Why are you running away? No safety. You are here with no safety. They have run away. People that were supposed to be here clearing the road.
I want to talk. God, the police. You know, God, the police.
No, we're not supposed to leave him now. What's the way to do it now? They come now, they stop motor. They are going
Nobody is pushing you. Nobody is pushing. But it's not good. Everything happened here. Look at that. Look at Oga. Where is he going? No, don't do that. Leave him alone, please. Look at vehicles. If this container has fell on this vehicle, what would have happened?
It's only him.
What would have happened? And they ran away. They ran away. They ran away. I have to go after him. They ran away.
That is me here now.
We forced you to be here. You
were running away. Your colleagues had run away. You were up to 6 in number.
What is the next line of action?
Take responsibility. It was the accident was not by him. This accident didn't just happen. It was caused, and somebody caused it, and this is the man that caused the accident. So he must accept the responsibility. If the government asked him to blockade the road and be collecting money from motorists, if you were sent to do that, tell us the Inspector General of Police that were tagging, he will hear.
You're not Tito.
So you will accept responsibility.
What do you want? They don't cost
somebody must accept responsibility because the accident was caused by you.
I need him on arrest.
So Nigerians, you guys should judge this matter. Nigerians, help me and judge this matter. This police guy, this team, the team here was led by this man. This officer is the senior officer here. They blockade the road, collecting money from motorists, and because of it, they caused this accident. Thank God nobody died, but there were damages, and somebody must accept responsibility. Because they will not tell me that the government sent you to blockade the road.
Nobody's going there. Nobody they go there. We don't know what you keep there.
Then go where?
We don't know what you keep there. Nobody's going there.
They disgrace this country. They disgrace this country, I swear to God. Before government, all of you guys are running away. You go see the right thing, you go do that one. You put your coffee on the road. Now the civilian they hold you for hand or whatever. You don't get more again.
Because they are on illegal duty. Their duty is illegal.
Go call your people.
If your colleagues know that what they do,
why were they running? Why were they running?
Why we don't know?
Let them move them on the road.
A lot of damages occurred here, and somebody must take responsibility. That's our stand. Somebody must take responsibility. We are not afraid of anything. Agada, we complicate the issues when they come here and start making problems. Let them accept responsibility. Somebody must take care of this vehicle and take care of that vehicle. Nobody will do that. We are law-abiding citizens. Nobody is touching you. Nobody will touch you. So far, so good.
My people, when I don't see am, now so it dey happen o. Now wetin police people they cause for road. People wey suppose they protect life and property. Now then they come they take life, even they take the property joy. Abeg, wanna share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.